Alright everybody, this is the elevator at my high school, and this is for 5 years after my graduation. It's been 5 years since I attended this school and graduated, so we're going to take a ride on the elevator. Again, this is for 5 years, and this video, for the record, is being taken on May 5th, 2021. So, let's go take a ride. It's right here. Very nice elevator. I'm gonna send this up to 2. I'll let you guys hear it from the machinery. Awesome. Alright, so that's it for this video. That was the 5-year special after my graduation at this school. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.